Hey, what's up, guys? How you doing today? Here on this video, we're gonna be discussing about how you can increase your FIVERR gig impression. So there are many ways in which you can increase your FIVERR gig impression. So I'll be showing you some easy and a perfect way to increase and market your FIVERR account or your gig, and probably being able to increase your gig impression. And definitely we all believe that if your gig impression, people are clicking on your gig, so this will help in your gig ranking and all other stuff. So I'll head up to my Fiverr now and see how we're gonna do it. So here I'll visit fiverr.com, then I'll head up to the particular gig that I want to promote. Let's say for instance, yeah, okay. Okay, say for instance, this account, I want to promote this particular gig. Okay, then I'll copy the URL here of this gig, then head up to facebook.com. Okay, so here, yeah, it's my Facebook account. Then I will go to any big page, any big Facebook page, or I just click on here, YouTube subscribers only genuine. So I'm already a member of this group. So I'll just create the post, then put my Fiverr link there. There are some points that probably maybe you don't want to show your gig link, then just come here and search bit.ly. So then come here to shorten your URL. So I'll paste the link here in short. So here is the short link to my gig. Then I'll come here and paste. Then you can see that it's still the same thing. So here I'll say, do you want to increase your YouTube sorry, YouTube video ranking? This service is for you alone. Click on the link below. To get started. So very simple. So do you want to increase your YouTube video ranking? This service is for you alone. Click on the link below to get started. Okay, let me add this. Do you want to make your video appear on the first page on YouTube? I think I'm typing faster. Okay, so here just copy everything, because we are still going to paste it on another group. So I just posted this now. Then I head up to another group. Okay, but that's what I have many groups here, seriously. So you can join as many as possible. Join groups pages and all that stuff. So definitely people are going to be clicking on your gig to see what it's all about. So yeah, that's all that. Then you come here, then search for Joe Biden. Sorry. Okay. Come to his page here, check out the latest post that he posted. This one is 4 hours ago. This one is 4 hours ago. Then come to comment here, because definitely people who are commenting on this page are mostly be interested in your service. So just paste it here, paste as many as you can, because this YouTube service, anyone can be in need of it. Definitely anyone can be in need of it. So go to another page, another post, sorry, like the post, then drop a comment. This is the only way to increase your gig impression, and definitely this might trigger the Fiverr algorithm to even rank your gig higher, because definitely people are going to be clicking, and Fiverr notice that you are driving traffic outside the platform. So definitely you're helping them to reach out and drive more people to Fiverr marketplace. So definitely they will be more interested in promoting your gig. So you can also check out another page, which is um sorry, okay, it's a Barack Obama. Okay, okay, come to, okay, the last post was on January 6th. So that's not bad though. You can just come here and make a comment again. This will be all for this to increase your gig impression. I'm going to drop another video which will be the episode 2 for this gig impression of a thing. And of course, this one we are not going to use any social media platform. We are going to be using a software which is called, I'll say it in the next episode. So just wait, and probably it will be the next video I'm going to make. Thank you for watching.